What's going on, everybody? My name is Mel Schmiller Jr., Dark Side of the Grill. We're out here in Hondo, Texas at the Quail Ranch, here with Big Green Egg. This event is called the Texas Open Fire Meetup. And I know you're thinking, Open Fire Meetup, what are you doing on a Big Green Egg? Well, the Big Green Eggs are open fire as well. It's a neat thing where they have the charcoal and the wood inside. You can still use that primitive open fire technique even in something like a Big Green Egg. So this is exactly why we're here. This event is very near and dear to my heart because I've been in this event since day one. Frugoni and I started way back in the day. Now we have this entire event. It's caught on like Texas wildfire, baby. Everybody wants to be part of this open fire adventure now. From hanging whole animals. You've seen the steer, you've seen everything else. Now come and see what we're doing on the Big Green Egg in the open fire adventure. And the open fire's in Hondo, Texas. Absolutely amazing.
Open fire is in our DNA. This is the beginning of human race. We've all shared the fire from the beginning of time. And what we are doing is getting this ritual back to today's world, sharing with all the world, and because it's in our DNA, that's what makes us human. Sharing food and the fire. And that's what we're here for.
Yeah, open fire is more than just a skill, it's a lifestyle. It's something we love to do together. It brings people together. It brings many cultures together. It's one of our favorite things to do, like use when we're cooking.
Family came together like you wouldn't believe. Barbecue family for life. We've had thousands of people, amazing music, amazing people, all through the first responders, Hondo, Texas. Absolutely amazing. Ladies and gents, thanks for following along. Big Green Egg Tea Green, we're out of here.